Welcome back. We're going to use this API that we created before in order to get the data from database into JSON format. So copy this PHP file. Make sure that it is of extension PHP file. Go to C, XAMPP, htdocs, and create a new folder. I'll name it as quiz. And inside this quiz folder, I'll place my quiz API.php file. Make sure XAMPP, htdocs, quiz, and my quiz API.php. Now turn on XAMPP, click start, and then open Chrome, go to localhost, and this is our dashboard. And I'll remove this dashboard here and I'll add quiz. This is the folder. If we click enter, we can see that this folder contains my quiz API.php file. If I click on it or add the extension my quiz API.php file, click enter, then we have this error. Don't worry, I'll show you how to solve the problems step by step. Here we have uncaught MySQLi SQL exception. No connection could be made because the target machine actively refused it. Since we didn't specify the port name, here we have port 4306. I open the PHP file with Notepad, and here I need to specify the port name. So whenever you encounter such an error, you need to specify the port name here, 4306. Make sure to save. Okay, Control S, then refresh, and the error is changed to another error. So the first error is solved. There is another error. Table myQuizDB.mathQuiz doesn't exist. Let me see here in the line 6. So in the select statement, so go to the select statement and math_quiz. Let's go to the database myQuizDB, and here the table is called math_table and not math_quiz. So here I need to change it to math_table. Save it, Control S, then refresh. And here we go. There is another error. Undefined variable question array. Maybe I missed something here in the question array on line 41. Let me go to line 41 and questions array. Okay, you see, I missed letter S. Control S to save, then refresh, and here we go. This is our JSON response. You can see it starts with an array, and then this is our first object. Question, option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4, and correct option. Congratulations, guys. We fetched the database data into JSON response. Again, let's go to here and I'll add another row. So I'll select math table, insert, and here I'll add the question. And the correct answer is 81. Click go, browse, and you can see this is the second question. Then let's go back to here, refresh, and you can see it's a second JSON object added here. This is the first question. You can see the comma and the second question.